Meaning of gimmickry.
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 Gimmickry. Gimmickry refers to the use of clever and often superficial techniques or devices to create an impression or achieve a goal. It can be seen as a form of deception or manipulation, particularly in marketing or advertising where gimmicks are used to attract attention or generate interest in a product or service. The result of gimmickry can be mixed, with some people appreciating the creativity and innovation it represents while others may perceive it as annoying or insincere. Ultimately, whether or not gimmickry is effective depends on how well it resonates with the target audience.